It's time for Sean Shepherd to catch up with that crazy bugger, Sebastian Sasseville, on his cross-Canada journey to outrun diabetes. Find out where Sebastian is now and hear all about his crazy adventures, all right here on the Diabetes Champions Network.
So Sean Shepherd here with Sebastian Sasseville, and he's more than halfway across Canada in his run to outrun diabetes. And Sebastian, I know that when you started this journey, one of the things that was really important to you was how you would inspire people living with diabetes and how they can apply it to their lives. And maybe not, do a marathon every day, but how they can take small steps to really apply it to their lives. Did I get that right?
Absolutely.
Well, so I've had the opportunity to, become good friends with you and see your journey and spend some time when you were here in Ontario, and I've been watching, and I was like, damn, that Sebastian is running a marathon a day, and it has really inspired me, and it's ironic that your website is Seb Inspires because you're inspiring many people, including me. So I'm going to tell you that I'm not going to run a marathon a day.
Smart.
Yeah. But what I will commit to doing, so, today, July the 14th, 4 months away from the finish line in World Diabetes Day, November 14th in Vancouver, I need to get my butt back in shape. I used to run marathons not every day, and, you've inspired me to make some differences, so I am going to go out here publicly and say my little tribute to you is I'm going to lose 42.2 pounds by November 14th, and hopefully be able to shake your hand in Vancouver a little lighter than I am today.
I think it's a tribute to yourself. That's awesome.
Yes, and permission. So I might be asking for some tips and advice along the way, and permission to give me that quick, gentle kick in the butt in the next 4 months too.
Sometimes not so gentle when you say.
I knew I shouldn't have played all those jokes on Cardboard Seb last week. Yeah, so I just wanted to let you know, but, honestly, Seb, all joking aside, you've inspired lots of us to live better with diabetes, and you said it, whatever you can dream, you can do. So thank you for that, and I'll keep you posted on my journey as well.
Awesome. So at the beginning of each interview, we'll start with a weight loss number.
Yes.
And down and down.
Deal. All right. Thanks, Seb, and we'll catch up to you really soon.